We have Indian Reserve battalions for dealing with security forces. Battalions are there in dealing with this Naxalites. Like for example, in Andhra Pradesh, we have Greyhounds. Greyhounds in Andhra Pradesh. Yes or no? Cobra in CRPF. In CRPF. Okay. Then Black Panther. Black Panther. Don't write. Wait. Black Panther. Chhattisgarh. Then Bastaria Battalion. Bastaria Battalion. Battalion. Again, CRPF. So these are the special security forces or reserve battalions who are dealing completely with Naxals, because these forces have been trained particularly in the guerrilla warfare, in dealing with the guerrilla warfare. That is what India reserve battalions for dealing the Naxalite problems. Okay, right.